The Hongyue Professional Series is a power source that operates a range of attachments suited to your needs and circumstance. When matching a particular tractor model to a particular set of attachments, we considered such factors as engine horsepower, number of working speeds, weight distribution, and balance. Get 4 seasons of versatility with one all-gear driven tractor offers additional power, versatility, and attributes. Built for a wider range of attachments, they feature differential wheels for turn-on-dime maneuverability, includes differential lockout, which provides for positive traction when needed. 3 working speeds in both directions. Differ from the standard models with a hydromechanical wet clutch, designed for longer clutch life, smoother shifting, and safer operation. Designed for versatility, in less than 5 minutes, you can change from a front-mount mower to a rear-time tiller, just as farmers use a 4-wheel tractor to power the plow. Harrow and seeder, you can use your 2-wheel tractor to power all of the modern tube attachments in our fleet. Compare the cost of single-purpose machines to the cost of our tractor with attachments, and you will see our offers the lowest cost per use in the industry. Quality engines. Our tractor employ a full range of quality, high-performing engines. Gasoline engines are available from Honda and Lanson. Also has tongue-tied diesel engine option. Electrical start can be set both for gasoline engine and diesel engine. Hongyue chipper shredder attachment could chip 3 limbs into pieces that are approximately 0.50 cm in size, as a limb of up to 7.5 cm in diameter is inserted into the side chute of the attachment. The shredder works from a hopper that is mounted on the top of the attachment, which interleaves stalks and the garden waste may be dropped into the shredding mechanism. 3 different size screens from 1 cm to 3 cm are available to control the fineness of the shredded material, so that it can be used for different mulching and composting applications. The shredder can process limbs up to 4 cm in diameter. Hongyue Power Sweeper attachment can be angled in 3 positions, right, left, and straight forward. There are 2 gauge wheels mounted to the sweeper housing to control the brush ground clearance. The sweeping width is 100 cm for 4-season utility. Hongyue rear tine tiller attachment is adjustable in width from 50 cm to 65 cm. Its working depth is 20 cm. breaking the new ground for planting and seeding easily. Hongyue Swivel motorboard plow attachment is comprised of 2 plowshares. Test topsoil to bury sod, weeds, and previous crops. The best rotary plow on earth. The rotary plow accomplishes a multitude of tasks efficiently and effectively. 4 spiral blades spin up to 300 rpms on a vertical shaft, digging effortlessly into all types of soil, including hardened, rock-filled dirt that has yet to be broken. Debris is discharged to the right side, allowing the operator to build raised beds with multiple passes. The rotary plow can accomplish these tasks and more: break new ground, power compost covered crops, build raised beds, create drainage ditches, and power hilling. One of the most popular attachments, ideal for many different tasks. The sickle bar is designed to slice materials at its base to leave the cut material intact. This means there is no flying debris, thrown stones, or excessive mulch. The height adjustable sickle bar is much wider than the wheelbase, so you can easily trim along slopes, ponds, under fences, and other no-clearance places you wouldn't dare take a traditional mower. They can also be used for forage harvesting. Most notably He+, sickle bar mowers save time and are extremely efficient. They consume less fuel than other mowers. Bar width range from 30-inch to 53-inch. Cut sample lengths up to 1.5-inch thick. Swivel joint in input shaft or nut spar to follow ground contours. Replaceable lives. Flare mower is the heaviest duty mowing attachment in our fleet. Perfect for mowing cover crops for quick decomposition. The flare mower has 42 vertically rotating wide blades that pulverize plant material into a fine pulp that is evenly spread across the mowing width. The flare mower's front bulkhead is designed for lifting itself, depending on the flow of material to be worked, which can be thick brush, vines, and saplings. Like the branch mower, it can mow anything it can bend, including saplings. A convenient control handle sets a cutting height from 0.5 inch to 4 inch, and retractable caster wheels are now for easier handling and transport. The mower rides on special side-mounted skids made of boron steel. All mower provide the option of side discharge or bagging. The bags can be easily removed, and the side discharge port is above the deck for wider dispersion of clippings. Due to its unique system design for adjustable blade settings on spline shafts without raising or narrowing the deck, 38-inch moving width. Utility trainer with 875-pound capacity. This heavy-duty trainer includes a padded seat along with foot and parking brakes and a removable tailgate. An easy-to-use dump feature also allows owners to get rid of their haul smoothly and effectively.